Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account, open System Settings, and go straight to Users and Groups. Once you're in, select the user you intend to remove and verify they are signed out of iCloud and iMessage. Make sure you or the user backed up important files to an external drive or cloud. This prevents accidental loss. Also check File Vault and the user's home folder size so you know how long deletion will take and whether decryption is required. Now remove the account. Select the user and click the minus button. Choose whether to save the home folder as a disk image or delete the home folder immediately. Saving gives you recovery time, while deletion frees space at once. Enter your administrator password when prompted and let Mac OS process the request. This can take minutes or longer for large home folders. Once finished, check Users and Groups and the /users folder to confirm the account and its data were removed or archived as you selected. Finish by restarting the Mac to ensure login and permissions refresh correctly, and verify available storage reflects the removal. Once done, reconfigure File Vault, privacy, and sharing settings if they were affected. This helps prevent unexpected access changes. If you encounter missing files or an incomplete removal, check for a saved disk image in /users/deleted users or restore from your backup. If the system reports permission errors, repair disk permissions via disk utility and then retry. Troubleshooting tip: keep the backup until you're fully certain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.